Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix if something went wrong in safe mode. So let's get started our video. So first of all, you have to just check your internet router. If you are using the mobile data, then you have to turn it off and then convert it to the Wi-Fi. And if you are using the Wi-Fi, then you have to just turn it off and turn it to the mobile data. After this, you have to just turn off or on the flight mode and then restart the router and restore your internet connection. After this, you have to just open your Play Store and check that if your game is updated or not. If not, then you have to just update your game and your problem will be resolved successfully. If not, then you have to just move on the next step. This is the most effective method, that you have to just restart your device. If your problem is not resolved by this method as well, then you have to just take the final step, which is to contact to the support team of the safe moon. After this, your problem will be resolved. I hope this video will be helpful for you, so give this video like and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide for more information. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.